The year 2020 coincides with the 75th year of the founding of the United Nations and its charter. It should have been a year marked with much festivities and celebration for the United Nations had it not been for the global pandemic. COVID-19 has certainly brought many things to a grinding halt, affecting the economy, social activities and the lives of people around the world. The United Nations will have to settle for a stifled celebration instead, but not for Dr. Bremley W.B. Lyngdoh, who has been working with the United Nations for many years now in various capacities. Preventing from returning to his post in New York by COVID-19, he decided to make the best of the situation by reaching out to people in remote villages and engage in an exchange of ideas and strategies that would help improve not only their living conditions but the environment and the economy as well. Commemorating the 75th anniversary of the United Nations in his own way, Dr. Lyngdoh visited Kudengrim, a village in the Jaintia Hills, along with the members of Hill Farmers Union, a non-governmental organization in Meghalaya. During his visit, he informed the farmers and the inhabitants of the village who participated in the discussion that the United Nations has introduced a set of goals in 2015 called the Sustainable Development Goals, which are to be achieved by 2030. According to him, there are 3 areas that the United Nations intends to address through these goals: the environment, the lives of people, and the economy. And to do this, it has come up with 17 goals under the Sustainable Development Goals. Dr. Lyngdoh further said that nations around the world who are members of the United Nations have 15 years from 2015 to achieve the 17 goals, and that the United Nations believes that these goals can only be achieved when men, women, youth and children come together to contribute individually and collectively to the work of preserving the environment, enhancing the socio-economic status of people and establishing a stable and prosperous economy. Those who were present in this interaction included the headman and the secretary of the village, farmers, youths and women folk who took an active part in it. Dr. Bremley W. Lyngdoh was accompanied by the General Secretary of the Hills Farmers Union, Shri Alphonse Carcentive and Shri Everest Mersing.
United Nations. The Arpos Namanshwa, Tre but Kanika United Nations and New York. Apo headquarters for New York. They can now to Nongelam, Jong the Sang Jongi Manshao, the Kofi Annan, 2 day Nongelam Napo Ghana, to 2 day Bosana, to Popula Club no. Kiamantapa, who Secretary General de Napo Portugal, Turuba, Boponam. The Kanika Jingrake, Hakajinda, Nyoko Sans Nem. Jongka UN and Rebenta was nempat ki rangba jongki river of ki president ki prime minister kimla banya kendo haka general assembly ka assembly jongka perthai bro away remember jongki kimla banya kendo nama balai bola abat ubah covid itu ba covid-19 tengar las akut sene ke yo le sure restisha bilat na shari america tong mamilai yo e pelujing mul amat pipa kawai ka thong jongka UN ha usnam khajar arhajar spakat san kadi bantawi gini ki sustainable development goal mud iyo kata ka jingmot sustainable kita ke development ke ka jingwara jingkot jingkya ki project mo andai kata ke kerteng sustainable par ke ban mod ban kano ke jingerap kadi ban ne junom ande ban shu outlet pralot outlet ki lom ki wa snil tang ban yo pisah em sustainable development kano ke development di Guanra kadiban pe ke Mariang kadiban pe ke jingyo jingkot yang ke Snong kadiban pe ke economic development kita lightly tidak ala one show ramba yang ke Snong ramba Snong dan patai baba kemudian kata ke sustainable development disebut ngi kumki nong yelam menchua mo ndai drop sing dan daga temti bau khnam disebut no sustainable development drop sing haptan lightly ki khnam ko jo por kai ukhnam penungkong udai main mariang ya ke environment ukhnam baar udai ki brio ya ke social development ukhnam balai pat udai banwan ra ke jingkiu ya ke jingkot jingkhia economic development thoi ke target beralai khnam ki hap her ko jo por hap dei dai kata kan ke sustainable development amtang ke main mariang amtang ya ki brio mereka economic development lo kadai banyak balance kai deban penjat lot deban perkhat ya desimet hendai ya junong bansawan kileo long chua ki hap perkhat ya ki bansawan kata kan te kani ka UN ka don khat nyau teli kita ki thong mo ki goals kemo ki sustainable development goals kata kada ong sei ki me kilong keme kena samla amar ka UN ka thong ka dei tang ki chendra marwe kemla ban pun urlong ye kini ki khat nyau teli ki thong jong ka UN dan kami kilong keme dan kami kilong ki kena ki samla ki samhoi ban me pentre kamlang halaki shnong halaki ri ban pen urlong ya ka thong jong ka UN na do 8,000 khatsan hado 8,000 life ho kamot ka aipor ka UN ya ki ri ki bode ki member khatsan snem kan ban pen long khaw ya kita ke khat new teli ki goals ki nongrap ki longkme ki samla ki rongba ya ge trelan hamman la kari bat hamman la ka shrong khatsan snem ti ngasung snei ba sini shari shanong ndong pa number 1 ya rap ya pi ya thao hi lagi jong project to ki don kan get ki bla yo jing rap na ki corporate society hindrai kam don ka jing teli te hari khasi ti ngasung hun ba iba alfan ba iba commander kila appen imbiang ya kanika Hill Farmers Union ka seng jong ki nongra agari jongi kabala seng na do usnam ka khandai spa khandai poa 1992 Alayap no kini kisamla jongi pat kila appen KM biang asnem menchua